you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to ensure there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates for Valorant, as outdated versions can lead to loading problems. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the Riot client to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can resolve loading issues. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This ensures that you have a fresh installation, which can fix any underlying issues causing the loading screen to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.